Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the layout of your presentation on the Canva application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, go to the project section and tap on the project that you want to edit. After that, you should click on the plus icon down below in the left side corner of the screen, tap on design down below, which is the first option, and then click on the second section at the top, layouts. Here you can find a bunch of categories such as link, pictogram, timeline, quote, circle photo, donut chart, area chart, video, column, pie chart and list, collage, and other layouts. So if you want to try out any of the available options, all you have to do is just simply tapping on the relevant one, and that it will be added to your it can be added as a new page, or you can also replace the current page. Tap on the relevant one, and you can of course change the color of the box, you can animate it, you can add comments to it. If you want, you can change the font size, and most importantly, if you tap into a text box, you can delete the current text and add your own. So that's how you can customize it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.